Courage is not the absence of fear. It's inspiring others to move beyond it. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. It always seems impossible until it's done. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I never lose. I either win or learn. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. Lead from the back and let others believe they are in front. Do not judge me by my successes, judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. Forgiveness liberates the soul. It removes fear. Action without vision is only passing time. Everyone can rise above their circumstances and achieve success if they are dedicated and passionate. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. Live life as though nobody is watching, and express yourself as though everyone is listening. Overcoming poverty is not a gesture of charity, it is an act of justice. As we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. May your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived, it is what difference we have made to the lives of others. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. There is nothing like returning to a place that remains unchanged to find the ways in which you yourself have altered. We must use time wisely and forever, realize that the time is always ripe to do right. One cannot be prepared for something while secretly believing it will not happen. It is in the character of growth that we should learn from both pleasant and unpleasant experiences. I am not a saint, unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying. It is not where you start, but how high you aim that matters for success. You can start changing our world for the better daily, no matter how small the action. When people are determined, they can overcome anything. Our human compassion binds us the one to the other, not in pity or patronizing, but as human beings. Freedom is indivisible. The chains on any one of my people were the chains on all of them. If you talk to a man in his language, that goes to his heart. Let there be work, bread, water, and salt for all. We owe our children, the most vulnerable citizens in any society, a life free from violence and fear. The true character of a society is revealed in how it treats its children. Peace is not just the absence of conflict. Peace is the creation of an environment where all can flourish. A nation should not be judged by how it treats its highest citizens, but its lowest ones. Fools multiply when wise men are silent. There can be no keener revelation of a society's soul than the way in which it treats its children. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin, or his background, or his religion. Be the scriptwriter of your own destiny, and create a legacy of integrity and courage.